What is the Metaverse? The Metaverse is a spatial computing platform built on blockchain technology that offers virtual worlds that may be used as an alternative to or a copy of the actual world, complete with social interactions, money, commerce, and property ownership. It seems acceptable to compare the Metaverse to the Internet in the 1970s and 1980s. As the framework for the new communication form was established, speculation about its appearance and intended function developed. Many people talked about it, but few knew what it meant or how it would work. In hindsight, things did not turn out quite like some had hoped. But as the market for the Metaverse is expected to reach $800 billion by 2024, it's time to clarify this hazy and convoluted phrase. Tech behemoths including Facebook, Microsoft, Apple, and Google are making significant investments to make it a reality. Metaverse is a mix of three-dimensional worlds accessed through a browser, a mobile app, or a headset. It would allow people to have real-time interactions and experiences across large distances. A vast ecosystem of online applications will be the outcome. The Metaverse is currently all the rage in the digital world because of its seemingly endless potential and objectives. Many investors are drawn to the Metaverse since it is at the cutting edge of technological and digital discoveries. It is an environment where the physical and digital worlds can coexist and significantly impact fundamental areas of daily life. It essentially consists of an infinite number of interconnected virtual communities where individuals can interact, work together, and have fun while utilizing smartphone applications, augmented reality glasses, and other technology. Additionally, it will cover other facets of online life including social networking and shopping. The Metaverse will grow into an unusually large-scale, very open, and dynamically optimized system as application scenarios progress. Creators from diverse professions will collaborate to develop a system that can handle numerous virtual reality application situations.